Two youths were critically injured on Thursday night after a collision between speeding cargo truck and motorcycles on the Assam-Agartala National Highway near the Belaiham Riang Chaudhripara in Telemura area. Telemura Fire Service personnel rushed to the spot, rescued the injured and evacuated them to the Telemura Sub-Divisional Hospital. Locals point out that National Highway 8 has turned into a death trap with almost daily accidents, primarily due to unmonitored speeding by massive interstate trucks. The injured victims were traveling from Belaiham Riang Chaudhripara toward Chakmagat when the heavy vehicle struck them. The victims were rescued by the firefighters and are currently undergoing emergency treatment at the Telemura Sub-Divisional Hospital. The incident has sparked severe public outrage against the Telemura Traffic Police.
একজনের নাম উদয় রিয়াং আরেকজনের নাম রঙ্গজয় রিয়াং বাড়িটারে কই জানা গেছে
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.